Namaste. I am Srishti Dash.
I am Shaini Mandal.
And I am Lavina Saraf of Standard 11.
SheSTEM is a flagship event initiated of the contribution of women technologists, scientists and innovators in the field of science and development. Now we know that in overpopulated and still developing countries like India, there is a need of sustainable form of energy, and hence we have proposed ideas to reduce carbon footprints and promote clean energy usage.
As we know that the excessive use of fossil fuels has many negative effects on the environment, including global warming, where carbon dioxide emissions from burning fossil fuels contribute to climate change, acid rain, water pollution, and air pollution.
So we took an initiative to make a low-cost, eco-friendly innovation which can generate electricity from naturally found resources and reduce environmental degradation and carbon footprinting.
Before we move on into the methodology, let us first unleash the benefits of aloe vera. Apart from its regular use, aloe vera leaves are known to have salicylic acid, which has the potential to generate electric current, and hence it can act as an excellent electrolyte. This has given environment-friendly power solutions for future.
And therefore, we have prepared 4 microbial fuel cells using the following materials: aloe vera, mud, stainless steel mesh, charcoal and containers. Firstly, we have taken aloe vera and mixed 75 grams of aloe vera in 300 grams of mud. Secondly, we have used the stainless steel mesh to prepare the cathode and the anode and have powdered charcoal coverings on it placed in 2 ends of the container. And lastly, we have to arrange the parts of the MFC.
We aim to provide a pocket-friendly and eco-friendly source of electricity which can be accessed not only by the privileged areas but also focusing more on the rural parts of India because of the significant disparities in electricity consumption.
Although it does not provide efficient electricity generated from coal, but at least it can provide electricity to the rural areas living in the dark, hoping for a source of light.
Thank you.